Nina is an artist at heart. Now she wants to bring her artistic talents together with her entrepreneurial side to start a t-shirt business. However, with all the costs associated, she's afraid it can be too expensive for her. If you're like Nina too, today's your lucky day. In a few minutes, you'll find out how you can use an e-commerce business model to develop your creative side into a money-minting career. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, you'll get to know how you can use print on demand and start your own t-shirt business. Watch this video till the end as we reveal how print on demand will change in 2021. But first, let's get to the basics. What is print on demand? Print on demand is a business model which allows entrepreneurs to utilize the services of a seller to create customized merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, blankets, caps, calendars, and sell them online. Besides, a POD business works along the lines of a dropshipping business where the supplier takes charge of the rest of the process, from printing to delivery. This means you don't need to worry about inventory or any overhead costs. Thanks to the e-commerce growth brought about by the COVID-19, Printful, a dropshipping company, saw an 80% increase in their business. With this rapid progress of the print-on-demand t-shirt industry, research indicates the business will likely cross $10 billion 5 years down. How can you start a print-on-demand business online? Step 1. Choose your niche. As with every business, first and foremost, you need to finalize a niche. You can choose anything you like or go with what's trending. You can even research to find out what people prefer or would attract more customers. Some ideas can be sports, pets, lifestyle, memes, body positivity, workout gear, etc. Whatever niche you select, ensure that it's specific enough for your target audience, but can also attract a wider customer base. Once you've narrowed down your choice, it's time to put your ideas on Google and other search engines to find your niche's scope. You can even use social media platforms such as Reddit, Facebook, and Instagram and search related hashtags. If your research isn't fruitful, meaning there is no one interested in buying your designs, then it's useless to build your t-shirt business around it. Try looking for topics that are frequently talked about and discussed on these forums. The more popular an idea is, the more chances your print-on-demand business being successful. Step 2. Get your designs ready. Now it's time for you to start creating designs. Print-on-demand depends on design creation that will be eventually printed on the final product. Hence, people who are innovative or work as creative professionals have a slight edge over those entrepreneurs that don't. If you feel you don't have the required expertise, you can outsource your designs from Fiverr or Upwork at an economical price. Step 3. Select your print seller. Now you need to look for a seller that can turn your vision into reality. Remember to choose wisely, as your seller will serve as your business partner. Perhaps not the conventional union where you share the risk and reward, still a partner in a sense. The seller you pick will play a crucial role in your business growth, as you both have to frequently communicate regarding orders, packaging, shipping, returns, and other business stuff. So you must do your homework before you decide which supplier you want to end up with. For this, you can see online reviews and use social media platforms to interact with other POD sellers and take their opinion. Step 4. Choose a platform to host your website. Once you finalize the nitty-gritty, you need to select a site hosting platform. Some popular ones are WordPress, Etsy, Shopify, and BigCommerce. These allow you to personalize your website with various themes and plugins to get you going with your print-on-demand business in no time. Moreover, Shopify is one place that connects you with numerous POD suppliers we will now discuss. These are amazing print-on-demand sites where you can start without paying a penny. In fact, they only ask you to pay product and shipping costs once your customer places an order. Isn't that amazing? Number 1. Printful. Printful is a notable print-on-demand company that offers a wide range of catalogs. Whether you want your t-shirts to have embroidery, sublimation printing, DTG, or cut and sew printing, you can do it with Printful. Besides, the website's mock-up generator enables you to start selling right away. Besides, it is integrated with most e-commerce platforms, and you can order samples at a 20% cut price. Number 2. CustomCat. CustomCat has one of the largest catalogs of products. With a rather simple design tool, the sellers provide 3D dye diffusion, sublimation printing, and embroidery. You can join the platform with a monthly fee of $30 and enjoy a discount on over 550 products. Number 3. Printify. Printify provides you access to a global network of printing partners. So not only does it mean you have more variety of products for quicker shipping, you can even choose your printer depending on the country in which you want to sell. Printing options include embroidery, cut and sew, direct-to-garment, and sublimation printing. Moreover, upgrading to their premium plan, you can avail 20% discount on every order. If you want to find out what print-on-demand trends are in store for 2021, make sure to stick around till the end. Now, how to create a design. You can either create designs with the integrated mockup generators if you're availing of Shopify or Etsy. Else, there are a few free alternatives out there if you don't want to purchase pricey image editors. First up, we have Placeit. This is a free online mockup generator. This website allows you to choose hundreds of designs and templates and create your own version. Printful. Yes, you heard it right. Printful offers ease of product designing for businesses with its own mockup generator. With many free designs, you can use the tool directly on their site and create good quality print files for your online store. The next option is Photopea. This is basically a Photoshop replica. The app's interface and tools are very similar to that you find on Photoshop. You have the option to use it on their website or download the app on your Windows or Mac. Photopea allows editing images, photos, and creating designs for your t-shirts. So, you guys have been waiting for this. The new print-on-demand trends in 2021. As the pandemic continues to shape our lives in 2021, not only businesses, but even more consumers prefer shopping safely sitting at home. As you would expect, competition is staggering, and if you want to keep up, you need to follow the trends to stay in the game. Here are a few trends we feel you must watch out for this year. Number 1. Go greener. Being environmentally friendly is the need of the hour. With more and more people becoming environmentally aware, going green is certainly the 2021 trend. Find out how you and your business can contribute and make a difference. Perhaps making products locally or selecting a supplier that uses eco-friendly printers like Printful. Trend number 2. Get an edge over your competitors. With the ease of e-commerce, it's no surprise to see businesses starting up overnight. But how do you take the edge over competitors? Well, make sure to regularly update your website and products. Become innovative and bring new ideas. Target a wider audience. See if a supplier can ship to other countries. As we discussed, you can use Printify for this. Trend number 3. Offer product customization. According to surveys, 1 in every 5 customers can pay up to 20% more for a personalized product. The reason is custom-made products are more often than not given as gifts. That's why customers feel more emotionally involved with exclusive products. You can invite your customers to throw in ideas and take part in the product creation process. This is a great way to generate sales and also know what your consumers are looking for. So, do you think this business model is for you? Let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.